I've been using this Office Color waist toner box for about a month now, and I kept my old OEM waist toner box around just in case there was any problems with the original. And looking at the two, they're pretty close to identical. There are some subtle differences here. The OEM one has these little gradient marks here, and something going on with this area here that this one doesn't have. That said, this Office Color replacement is working exactly like the OEM. It's been a month and I have zero complaints. It is working perfectly. So if you're in the market for a replacement waist toner box, you can feel confident that this one is going to get the job done. You don't have to use the OEM. So overall, I would recommend it, and I hope this helps.